Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript, updating object properties. After you have created a JavaScript object, you can update its properties at any time just like you would update any other variable. You can either use you can use either dot or bracket notation to update. For example, let's look at our dog. Here our dog is a variable which contains an object with name, legs, tails and friends property. Since he is particularly happy dog, let's change his name to happy camper. Here is how we update his object's name property. Our dog dot name equal to whatever the value, in this case happy camper, and semicolon to end the statement. Or we can use our dog with bracket notation, and in bracket notation we will pass the property name, which is name here, and we will pass the name happy camper. Now when we evaluate our dog dot name, instead of camper we will get his new name happy camper. The task for this challenge: update the my dog object's name property. Let's change her name from coder to happy coder. You can use either dot or bracket notation. So let's change it my dog, and in bracket notation we will pass the name, and instead of coder this will be happy coder and semicolon to end this. Let's run the test, and it's successful. Download my solution, and thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.